Feeling trapped, the painful truth about why you must break free now. Do you ever feel like you have just existing day to day without actually living? Are you sick of the same dull routine, just waiting for the weekend so you can numb the pain and pretend everything is fine? I get it. I have been there too. The truth is, nothing hurts more than feeling trapped in a stagnant situation that's draining your soul. Each morning you hit snooze on your alarm, already dreading the long day ahead. At your job, the clock moves slower than a snail through molasses. You are just going through the motions with a fake smile plastered on. Maybe you are stuck in a relationship that's long dead, desperately grasping at the few good memories left. Or your dreams remain locked away while you abandon them for the practical path. But here is the good news. You don't have to stay trapped. The door to that cramped little cage stands wide open. You just have to be bold enough to step through it. Easier said than done, right? After all, if living was simple, you would have done it already. So why do we cling so tightly to what keeps us stuck? The reasons may surprise you. First, there is the devil. The familiar pain is comfortable. It is predictable. At least you know what to expect from a bad job or a relationship. But taking a leap into the unknown, it is scary as hell. Your mind cooks up endless what ifs to justify staying put. What if you fail? What if you can't pay the bills? What if no one supports you? Valid concerns, but you can't let fear call the shots. Next, distorted thinking has you believing the situation isn't that bad. There is a comfort in denial and minimization. Admitting the full truth means facing your predicament head on. But by downplaying reality, you justify maintaining the status quo. Finally, habit and routine are seductive drugs. Humans crave structures, and breaking patterns feel damn hard. Over time, you construct mental prisons reinforced by rigid rituals. Your caged existence gets entrenched despite the misery. So how do you break free? By realizing something huge. Staying trapped is the most painful choice of all. You have two options here. Keep suffering indefinitely or walk through that open door into freedom. Sure, the unknown brings uncertainty, but it also holds joy, growth, possibility. Your life will never change for the better by standing still. And you, my friend, deserve so much more. It starts with awareness. Look unflinchingly at your reality and how this situation is impacting you. Get support from people who want the best for you. Then take small steps out of your comfort zone. Build courage and momentum with each brave stride. Most importantly, connect to your deepest longings. You are not here just to survive. You are here to live fully. This is your movie. Only you get to decide your path. So what gifts lie on the other side for you? Picture your ideal life. How does it feel to finally pursue your passions? To come home to a relationship that makes you glow, not cry. You have everything inside you right now to create something beautiful. You just need a silence those doubts and take that courageous first step. Sure, breaking patterns may be uncomfortable at first, but staying put is so much more painful. Discomfort is temporary. The rest of your life is permanent. Don't just exist. Live fully with meaning and pursue and purpose. This is your time, your choice. You have got this. Now go, spread your wings. The world is waiting for the real you. Fly high, you brilliant soul. You are worthy of freedom and joy.